Hi, it's Laura with your latest tech update. How many times have you done this? Clicked on WordPad when you meant to open Notepad. For 30 years, WordPad has been part of Windows, but many people have found it just confusing. When you need simplicity, you turn to Notepad. When you need normal word processing features, you open Word. Where does WordPad fit in? Microsoft doesn't seem to think it fits in at all because WordPad is now on a list of features that will be deprecated. Will people really miss WordPad, or will its absence just clear up the confusion? We're not sad to say bye-bye to WordPad. If you are, we can show you how other tools in 365 are much better for your business. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.